Hello everyone, I am Pimayondan. Welcome to my tutorial video. In this video, I will discuss what is data, data science, and some of the conditional statements used in Python. What is data? Data is a collection of information. Data can be a piece of information, for example, name. Now, let's define what is data science. Data science is an interdisciplinary field that uses scientific methods, processes, algorithms, and systems. In simple words, we can define data science as a branch of computer science where we study how to store, use, and analyze data for deriving information from it. As I have already mentioned that I will be discussing about conditional statements in Python, outline of my video, if statement and if else statement. Let's look into some other conditional statements in Python. The statements in Python other than if statement and if else statement are else if statement, switch statement, and nested if. In this video, I will discuss two conditional statements with example each. First one is if statement, second one is if else statement. If statement. It checks for a given condition. If the condition is true, it executes the codes. If statement is one of the most commonly used conditional statements in programming language. The if condition evaluates a Boolean expression and executes the block of code only when the Boolean expression becomes true. Now, let me give the syntax of if statement. So syntax, if expression equals to true, block of code, else block of code. In this example, we are going to use two variables, variable x and variable y. Using these two variables, we are going to test or we are going to check whether y is greater than x or not using if statement in Python. So let's begin. Let us give x is equal to 5, then y as equal to 10. Now let's have the condition, or let's give the condition here. If y is greater than x, then print y is greater than x. Bracket close. Let's see the result. So we have the result here. Y is greater than x. It is obvious that 10 is greater than x. The result should be or must be y is greater than x. Now let's look into if else statement, the second one. It is used to execute both the true part and false part of a given condition. If the condition is true, if block code is executed, and if the condition is false, the else block code is executed. The else block will execute only when the condition becomes false. It is the block where you will perform some actions when the condition is not true. So let me give the syntax of if else statement. So first, if, then bracket open, expression equals to true, then bracket close, then we will have statement, body of the block, then else statement, body of the block. In the earlier example, we have looked into how to use if statement, and in that example we have taken variables x and y. In this example, we are going to look into how to use if else statement. So we are going to take variables as a and b. In here, we are going to see whether a is equals to b or not. So if the first condition is true, the if block code is going to execute, and if the first condition is false, then the else block code will be executed. So let's see. So let us take value of a as 5 and value of b as also 5. Then if condition here, b is greater than a, print b is greater than a, make it close, else print, make it open, a is equals to b. So let's see the result. So the result we have is a is equals to b. So that which means the condition, the first condition is false. It is obviously false because 5 is equal to 5, so it is impossible to have b is greater than a. So our result is a is equals to b since 5 is equal to 5. Thank you for watching my tutorial video.